Candle dyes are used to color candles. They come in various forms. Some common types of candle dyes include liquid dyes. These are liquid based dyes that can be added directly to the melted candle wax. They are available in a wide range of colors and are easy to mix to create custom shades. Block or powder dyes. These dyes come in solid block or powder form. These are pre-measured blocks of solid dye that can be added directly to the candle wax, while powder dyes offer more precise color control. Dye chips. Dye chips are small colored chips or flakes that can be added to the wax to achieve the desired hue. Natural dyes. Some candle makers prefer using natural dyes derived from plant-based sources like beetroot, turmeric or other botanical extracts. These provide eco-friendlier option for coloring candles. Candle dye comparison chart has been added in the resources. Do check out. Now some other colorants like mica, pigment oxides, crayons and food coloring cannot be used to color your candles as they don't completely dissolve into the wax. The undissolved particles can clog the wick, which in turn becomes self-extinguishing. It is important to note that the amount of dye can significantly impact the final color. You need to add more dye to achieve intense shade. So candle makers often experiment with the different quantities of dye to achieve different shade. Now here is a tip. Always test the shade of the candle dye before pouring. This can be done in two ways. Run a test by dipping a small piece of parchment paper into the wax and let it cool. Check if it's desired shade, otherwise add more dye into the wax. Pour small quantity of the wax either on a small piece of parchment paper or small glass container. Let it cool and then check it for color. Always add colorant first. Once desired shade is achieved, the fragrance can be added later.